welcome or welcome back to my channel Embracing Life. I am back with another budget with me video, and this is for the month of October, the festive month, my birthday month, and the best month ever according to me. So if you are new to this channel, this channel is all about budgeting, cash stuffing, saving challenges, sinking funds, and all those stuffs. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful community. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So this is the budget for the month of October. First comes the income. Let me zoom you a bit. The first one comes the income. So the income, the first one is the full-time. Oh my god. My hands are shaky, so please ignore my handwriting. Because of the fever and all, my hands are shaking and the handwriting is at its worst. Anyways, so the amount that I will be working with today is 14,500 rupees from my full-time job, and the next one is going to be from Papercuts, which is the small business that I have, which sells the cash envelopes and the binders and all the budgeting stuffs. If you want, you can go check out my store. So for Papercuts, I will be taking out only 1,000 rupees because I already have some money in that envelope, and that will be sufficient for it. This money is basically used for the shipment of the products, because the shipping guy does not accept online cash, so this one is for that. So the total income is going to be 15,500 rupees. Let's start with the budgeting. So the first one comes giving. For giving, I always allocate some money. Even before I was a full-time employee, when I used to cash stuff from my pocket money, then also I used to allocate some money for giving purposes. So for this, I am allocating 200 rupees. Look at this zero. Oh my god, I'm laughing at my own handwriting. Anyways, so the total giving budget is 200 rupees, and my handwriting is worst and my hand is shaking. You can see that as well. Ignore that. So next comes the expenses categories. Let me write it down and then I'll come back. Okay, so these are the expenses: eating out, travel, fun, and miscellaneous. These are basically the mini envelopes that stay in my wallet. So for eating out, I will be budgeting 2,000 rupees. I think last time also it worked fine, I would say, because I used up only 1,800 rupees. I'm guessing this will be fine this month also, but I don't know, it's festive month, so we never know. Let's see how it goes. The next is travel. For travel, I will be allocating 500 rupees. I went a little bit overboard, but I managed that from my miscellaneous fund. So yeah, it's going to be 500 this time as well. Fun is also going to be 500, and miscellaneous I will be budgeting 300 rupees. So this is the same, exactly the same like the previous one. I think they all worked fine the last time. So the total comes out to be 3,300. Okay, so moving on to the sinking funds. First comes the low priorities. Let me write down the categories. Okay, so these are the 4 categories. For personal, I will be budgeting 2,000 rupees. For shopping, I will be allocating 1,000 rupees this time. For wardrobe, I am allocating only 500 rupees because I have done most of my shopping in the previous month. If you follow me, you will be knowing that I have done all my shopping in the previous month. So this time I'm only giving 500 rupees for just in case. So, and the last one is self-care. Self-care also I have done a lot of things. I am not giving anything for self-care this month. So the total comes out to be 3,500 rupees. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so moving on to the high priority sinking funds. The categories first. Okay, So these are the categories, starting with hobby, which is nothing but the amount of paper cuts. So for this I have 1000 rupees. Next is the emergency. This is going to get 500 rupees. For medical also same 500 rupees. The next comes subscriptions. Subscriptions is going to get 500 rupees. Travel is going to get 1000 rupees. Vacations also 1000 rupees. For festivals, this also is going to get, no, this is going to get 500 rupees. Gifts is going to get 1000 rupees. And my birthday is also going to get 500 rupees. So the total comes out to be 1 2 3 4 5 6500 rupees. So let me just try this up once again, because last time I did a mistake. Oh, and finally for savings I am going to allocate 1000 rupees. So the total savings is going to be 1000. So I think I made the same mistake as last time. The income is going to be 13,500 rupees. So now it's going to be, the total is going to be 14,500 rupees. I was going to make the same mistake again. So for double checking this, let me count this. The total is 6,500 plus 3,500, that is 7,000, 8, 9, 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000 plus 3,300, so 12, 13, 14,300 plus 200, so 14,500 rupees. That's the total income. So let me write it here. The total income that we are working with is 14,500 rupees. So this was the budget breakdown for the month of October. I hope you like it, and I got saved before making the same mistake that I did the last month also. I hope you enjoyed it, and let's see how this month goes. If you stayed till now, please leave this emoji in the comments section below, and also please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And also share it with your friends and family so that everybody is able to join me in their financial journey. The next video is going to be the cash stuffing for the month of October, so stay tuned for that, and see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye, and a very happy Diwali in advance to all of you. So until next time, take care, bye bye.